How many courses should I include in a promotion? Now, bear in mind you can send 2 promotional announcements a month to each of your paid courses. And there are 2 ways of looking at this question. And the first way is to say, should you send the same announcement to all of your courses or to only some of your courses? Now, I would invite you to think about the topic of your promotion and whether or not it makes sense to send a particular promotion about a particular topic, maybe covering one course, to all of your courses. Because you may have published a range of different courses covering different topics. And so taking my courses, for example, would I want to send a copywriting course to students in my business development courses? Well, maybe I would, maybe I wouldn't. Would I want to send a Udemy related course to one of my Fiverr courses? Well, again, maybe I would or maybe I wouldn't. But you need to think about this and see whether it makes sense. Does that mean, therefore, that you should mentally think about your courses in groups by topic and then think about sending out promotions which are related to that topic to those courses in groups? So you may have, let's say, 3 different course topics. So each month you send a promotion to the students in the topic A for a promotion, a course or something that's related to topic A, and then B with B and C with C. And you need to think about what works best. And of course you can mix it up and try different things. The other question then comes up, well, what happens when you publish a new course? Shouldn't you try to show that to all your students? And broadly, I would say yes. But the other argument is, should you send the promotion only to the students in a related course, in a topic that's related to the topic of your newly published course? And I'm not saying you have to do one or the other. What I'm asking you to do is to think what makes most sense. And maybe one month if you do it one way, the next month you try it a different way, because experimentation and mixing it up is what it's all about. Now, the other way of looking at this is how many courses should you promote in one promotional announcement? And again, there is no correct answer. You can look at sending out a promotion with only one course to lots of courses, or you can have all of your courses in a promotion and then send them out to all of your courses. And there's almost an infinite variety in between. And I'm going to show you as we go on later in the course lots of examples from different instructors of types of announcements. And I'm going to show you variations of types of announcements, some with one course promoted, some with 2 or 3, and some with up to 20 or 30. So again, it's not a right or wrong answer, but it's something I want you to think about, and I want to stimulate you to consider mixing up and creating creative announcements which engage and interest your audience, rather than sending out exactly the same thing month in, month out, which can be very boring. So how many courses should you include in a promotion works 2 ways. How many courses should you promote to? And inside a promotion, how many courses should be included in that promotion? So it's, again, I'm trying to raise questions with you which I can't give you specific answers to, because it really depends on the courses you are teaching and your students. But I do want you to be thinking about them, and therefore to be creating interesting, stimulating, engaging and creative announcements that will help you to sell your courses to your students.